Welcome to Beyond Worksheets Sound Pictionary. You can download the worksheets for free on our website and practice your sounds along with this video. You can find the link for the worksheets in the description below. Let's take a look at some pictures starting with the sound. Numbers. Necklace. Noodles. Newspaper. Ninja. Nuts. Notebook. Nap. Nest. Newt. Net. How can your child read and spell independently? Through phonics. Why is it important to start phonics at an early age? Phonics is essential for children to become successful readers and writers in the early years of schooling. According to research, kids are ready to begin phonics lessons when they have mastered letter recognition, which typically happens between the ages of 3 and 4. Giving your child this head start in their literacy journey will help them to focus and progress faster in school as they move on to year 1 and so on. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in our next episode. Goodbye.